Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to store organic henna cones. Proper storage is absolutely key to ensuring your henna paste delivers beautiful, rich stains. Henna is a natural plant product, and its dye quality can degrade rapidly if not cared for correctly. The good news is, with a few simple steps, you can keep your cones fresh and ready for use for many months. For long-term storage, the freezer is your best friend. As soon as you receive your organic henna cones, place them into an airtight container or a strong freezer bag. This protects them from freezer burn and moisture. When stored this way, your henna cones can remain fresh and potent for up to 6 months, ensuring you always have vibrant paste on hand. When you are ready to use your henna, simply remove a cone from the freezer and let it thaw at room temperature for about 20 to 30 minutes. Avoid using a microwave or warm water as this can harm the paste. Once thawed, gently knead the cone for a minute or two to ensure the paste is smooth. For the deepest color, use your thawed henna within 2 to 3 days. If you plan to use your henna within a few days, you can store unopened cones in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Always keep your cones away from direct sunlight and any heat sources, as these quickly degrade the dye. Be sure to also avoid storing them near strong-smelling items. If your henna develops a sour or chemical smell, or an unusual texture, it is best to discard it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.